Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stamping Stilettos. I am back to tell you who won the weekly giveaway from 2 weeks ago. I am so sorry. I do not know where the time has gone. Lots going on. Now, I didn't do a giveaway last week, but I will make it up to you all, I promise. But this is from 2 weeks ago. It is the Gorgeous Girl giveaway that I was doing. And let me just show you what the winner has won. So there is this gorgeous handmade card with I miss you, a lovely handmade postcard. Well, you can use it as a postcard, but you can use it as a card. And we have these lovely die cut Gorgeous Girls, and then some, these are just stamped, coloured and cut out Gorgeous Girls, but great for toppers, etc. So there's those. We have these lovely little cut out images as well, a little note card, and this is my favourite thing. It's a lovely mini album. It is so cute, made with DSP from Stampin Up, stickers from Happy Planner, and look, lovely little Gorgeous Girls hiding away in there, and just these little cards that you can write on. And then I think at the back we have another little Gorgeous Girl tag. So you are shouting at me, tell us who's won. So the winner of this Gorgeous Girl giveaway, which is a bit of a mouthful, is the lovely Debbie Lociano. And I've probably not pronounced your name right again, Debbie. I'm so sorry. You are the winner, and yes, you have won before, so it goes to show that if you keep entering, you will win. So thank you to everyone who took part. I will be doing another giveaway next week, and I promise I will make it extra special as I missed a week. I'm so naughty, I'm so sorry. I hope you're all very well. Debbie, I will have these on the way to you within the next couple of days, and well done. Thank you again, everyone. Take care for now. Bye bye.